Here are the most in-demand digital product categories currently trending on Etsy this week, backed by recent reports on Etsy sales data for 2025. 1. Printable planners and organizers. Digital planners remain at the top of Etsy's best-selling lists. Think hyperlinked PDFs for apps like GoodNotes or Notability. These are easy to design, highly customizable, and nearly effortless to deliver, making them a favorite for shoppers and sellers alike. 2. Lightroom photo presets and editing tools. Photography and content creators drive demand for Lightroom presets that instantly transform photos. These presets are affordable, visually impactful, and require minimal support. Easily applied with instant delivery, sellers love their high profit margins and repeatability. 3. Social media templates and ebooks guides. Social media templates for Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, etc. and informative mini ebooks or how-to guides are top sellers. Creators bundle aesthetic template packs or publish niche ebooks to teach skills. These are in high demand because they help buyers grow their businesses or personal brands fast. 4. Canva templates. Editable templates for resumes, business cards, media kits, lead magnets, or Instagram posts are flying off the virtual shelves. Canva makes it easy for sellers to share editable links, and buyers love how beginner-friendly it is. Popular niches include coaches and consultants, small business owners, content creators. 5. Printable wall art home decor without shipping headaches. From minimalist quotes to boho designs or nursery prints, digital wall art is a low-effort, high-return product. Many sellers offer multiple sizes and color variations to boost perceived value. 6. Digital stickers for GoodNotes and journaling. With the rise of digital planning apps like GoodNotes and Notability, digital sticker packs are trending. These include icons, motivational quotes, labels, and themes, ideal for productivity lovers and students. 7. Wedding and event printables. Editable invitations, save the dates, seating charts, and bridal shower games are consistent top sellers. Buyers love the customization and affordability, and sellers love the seasonal traffic and repeat purchases. 8. Budget trackers and finance spreadsheets. Personal finance is a booming niche. Spreadsheets for tracking income, expenses, debt payoff, and savings goals are in high demand. These appeal to budget-conscious buyers and are often sold as part of larger bundles, like financial planners or Notion dashboards. Quick tips: if you're selling these products, use high-quality previews or mock-ups to help buyers imagine the product. Add niche keywords in titles and tags, e.g. printable budget planner, boho Lightroom presets, Instagram story templates, to boost visibility. Bundle items to increase perceived value, e.g. planner plus habit tracker plus goal-setting guide. Include easy instructions or tutorials, especially helpful for novice users downloading presets or editable templates. Final thoughts for digital creators or aspiring passive income earners on Etsy: printable planners, Lightroom presets, and social media templates. Ebooks are consistently top-performing categories in 2025. They offer high value for buyers, low cost for sellers, and evergreen sales potential. Want help crafting a product from these categories, like a niche planner idea or template pack? If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what product you want to sell first. I post weekly content to help you earn online without burnout.